Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant meets Governor of Goa and discussed whole range of issues pertaining to COVID-19 management in the state. According to press note issued by Secretary to Governor Rupesh Kumar Thakur, IAS on 18 July 2020, yesterday the Honorable Chief Minister met the Honorable Governor at Raj Bhavan and discussed whole range of issues pertaining to COVID-19 management in the state. The Honorable Governor extended his full support to the government in its fight against the pandemic. The Honorable Chief Minister assured that the observations, suggestions of the Honorable Governor will be acted upon by the government in the right earnest. The Honorable Governor and the Honorable Chief Minister pledged to continue to work in full cooperation and synergy in order to win the battle against the contagion and in the interest of the state. Rupesh Kumar Thakur, IAS, Secretary to the Governor. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.